Hello friends, today we are implanting and reviewing a new Italian lens which is Minivel, an EDOF lens from Sifi company which is marketed in India by Zydus. So let me tell you about this lens. It is a copolymer acrylic, which means it gives benefits of both hydrophobic and hydrophilic material. It is a biconvex lens with 4 fenestrated haptics with 5-degree angulation with optics. About technology, Minivel is a waveform engineered lens where it has a progressive optics with 3 different areas. Central 1.8 millimeter area with positive spherical aberration which gives near and intermediate vision. Mid-periphery with negative spherical aberration which gives intermediate and distance vision, and peripheral area with negative asphericity of minus 0.14 is responsible for distance vision. This incorporation of spherical aberrations of opposite signs will extend the depth of focus, providing a smooth transition areas and gradual power shift to support progressive vision. The optical design is barely detectable and it looks like a monofocal. Company claims that having no rings on the optics, patient will experience negligible halos and glares. They say that Minivel is a optically efficient which provide vision at all distances with better contrast and better night vision. So this is actually how the lens look like. It comes in a pyrogenic saline in a preloaded form, and this is the injector of the lens. It is as similar as we have used in the Zeiss also. It is a Medicel injector. So we have to inject a little bit of visco inside it, and then we have to put it in this groove. The lens is already there inside this cartridge. Just press it, a click will lock this. Put some visco behind the lens also, and this press this plunger a little bit forward, and now we are implanting this lens. To me, these haptics looks a little bit like the ear of the rabbit, so I call it a bunny lens. It looks like a bunny lens. So we have done almost 4 cases today, and I'll be showing only IOL implantation of all 4 lenses. So you will have a better look of that, and then I'll tell you what are my perceptions about this lens. I felt the material is really good. It feels very good. This is the second lens. The lens is good, but when I injected in initial cases, I felt that it is harder to push initially. Like these haptics comes with a little bit difficulty, and the optic comes with a little bit of jerk, like this. So you have to be a little bit more cautious in initial cases. But as I told you, the material is good. So despite being four haptics, it is very easy to implant them inside the bag. The material is malleable and optics goes easily inside the bag. This is the third case. I felt that clarity of this optics was good, in a sense it feels more clearer to me. Even at day one post-op, I felt like that it looks uh, clearer than most of the other lenses. Same picture in this third case also. The haptics came out with a little bit of hitch, while the optics came out easily. This is the fourth case, and as we know, we gradually learn. In this case, both the haptics as well as the optics both came out easily, gradually. And as I already told you, I was initially a little bit kind of afraid that four haptic design might trouble me, but implantation with four haptics was easy, and I felt that stability of lens is good, and we can see that there is we cannot see any rings like any other multifocal lens, but it's an EDOF lens. We can see a little bit of thickening, or we can say a little bit of circle in at the center, and lens looks good. Case ended very well. So this was it from me about this new lens. Thank you so much for watching.